Hello and welcome back to another Dominator 6 out of 5 scale modelling video, and today we're looking at the community's models and awarding Model of the Week. So to start off the show we have Bros from Discord's lovely German World War I Eindecker monoplane. From what I've heard on Discord, he absolutely loves this type of model and has built many of them. It does look superb and you should be very happy with yourself. Good modelling right there. So moving on with the theme of still Germany, we have a lovely Lost Abandoned Rusty King Tiger by Martin G. This is superb. Getting a model to look perfectly rusty just like this and abandoned is a really difficult task, and you have absolutely mastered it. Really well done, Martin G. Keep up the good work. Moving on to something much more modern, we have an American F-15 Strike Eagle by Hawk Typhoon. He has featured many models on my channel and this is another one. He has, as per usual, made this kit look absolutely outstanding. With the help of his brilliant photography skills, you can clearly see the effort he has put in. If you are on my Discord, if you're not, a link will be provided. He did win the Model of the Week last week, but I didn't have enough models to make a video on it. Once again, we're featuring another German model this week. I don't know why this is, but we've got many. This is from Fish Tank, and this is lovely Airfix Tiger 1 tank. As you can all see, there are some lovely bushes that he has added onto the tank that really helps bring the realistic factor of this Airfix Tiger 1 tank. Well done, Fish Tank. I think we should now move on to the Model of the Week, and this week it is Elliot Widder, also known as Hobbit Feetman everything on Discord, with his lovely British Chieftain green tank. While he has been posting the pictures on Discord, I've clearly seen the effort he has put in with this kit, and it is superb. Really well done, well deserved Model of the Week. So sadly that is the end of another subscriber models and Model of the Week video. If you want to send me your models and help me these videos get longer, send me an email or use my Discord link. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'm glad that I'm able to share the community's lovely models in such an easy way. So until the next video, see you soon.